welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I recently put a post on Instagram with this eye look, and there was a lot of feedback on it. A lot of people commented and said they loved this look and it was so pretty. So I thought, why don't I just do a YouTube video for you guys to kind of show you how I did this look. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget about my giveaway that I'm having on Instagram. Go check it out. I will leave my Instagram info down below. And if you'd like to know how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so I have prepped my eyes already. So let's go ahead and start with the eyeshadow. The reason why is because the reason why I want to start with eyeshadow is because we're using some color today. So if it falls or anything on my face, then I can use foundation and clean that up and it'll just go away. I'm gonna first take, this is a Z palette from Ulta. And these are just magnets. But up here, these are my Makeup Geek eyeshadows that I have. So first I'm gonna start out with this peachy shade right here, and it is called Peach Smoothie. So I'm going to take that and just put it all over my crease with this fluffy brush from Sigma. It is the E40 Sigma Tapered Blending. And I'm just going to take this and kind of just put it all over my crease. Okay, now I'm going to go into this orange mustard color. Yeah, I'm gonna take this mustard orange color. It is called Chickadee, and I'm going to put that in the crease. It's very pigmented. These Makeup Geek eyeshadows are really, really nice. I know I only have these 4, but I definitely want to get some more later. But they're really great quality, and they're not expensive at all. Okay, next I'm going to change my palette, and I'm going to take the Clover palette from Too Faced, and I want to take Love is Love, which is this light pink color right here. I'm going to take the same taper blending brush from Sigma and take that color and also put it in the crease. These are very, very pigmented also. Okay, next I'm going to take this Real Techniques base shadow brush, and I'm going to take the color Daddy Loves Me, this shade right here, and I'm going to put that in the crease just a little bit further down than what the other 2 colors were. And this is going to be my main color that I'm going to stick to, so I'm just going to keep building this up. That Chickadee color in the Makeup Geek eyeshadow palette is my favorite to use with this type of color, purple pink shade. For some reason, I just really like that color. I think it complements this pink purple shade. Okay, now I'm going to go into the tapered blending brush and just kind of blend those edges together. Okay, now I'm going to take a more precise brush, this unique tapered blending brush, and I'm going to go into that same shade, Daddy Loves Me, right here, and this will help kind of deepen that up because I have more of a precise brush. So I just want to deep up that inner corner right there. Okay, now I just want to add just a little bit darker. I'm going to take Cuddle Buddy, this shade right here. It's like a brownish purple color. I'm gonna take this same exact brush and dip that in there and put that on the very bottom and just press that in there because it will just deepen it up just a little bit more. Okay, so now for the fun part is I'm going to take Lucky Clover, which is this mint green shade right here. I remember saying to you guys, I'm like, I need to figure out something to do with that color because I am obsessed with that color and I want to use it. Well, I finally figured out the way I love to do it. So I feel like the best way to put this shade on is with my finger. For some reason, it just worked better for me. I did try a brush like this. Actually, I tried this brush. I tried this brush to put it on and it was good. Like, I liked it, but I just really like it with my fingers for some reason. So, oh, and I've also tried it with like a flat round definer brush also. And I just, out of these two, I liked this one a lot more. But out of a brush, I really like using my fingers more. So I'm gonna take Lucky Clover and put that on my finger and press that and kind of slide it, I guess, on the lid. I don't know about you, but I'm getting like Scooby-Doo vibes. Or like maybe Daphne, but definitely something. Okay, now I'm gonna take this precise brush right here and go into Daddy Loves Me and put that on the outer corner. I'm gonna press it in and kind of like blend the green and that purple together so the line isn't so harsh. There we go. Okay, and now I'm gonna go back into Cuddle Buddy, this shade right here, and press that on the outer corner. For some reason, I just really like those two shades together. I'm gonna put some mascara on and put my lashes on, and then I will be right back. Okay, I am done putting my lashes on, so let's go ahead and prep our face. Okay, I'm gonna take the Urban Decay Pore Perfecting Primer and put that on my troubled areas. Now, I'm going to take the Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse. This is in 30 Natural Ivory. This stuff is like almost gone. It makes me sad. And my Morphe sponge and just pounce that into my face. Okay, now I'm going to take Tarte Shape Tape in Light Medium Honey. I'm going to put on a small amount because this stuff goes a long way. I'm going to use the NYX HD Finishing Powder in Banana. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the flat part of my Morphe sponge and just press that into my NYX powder and then press it into underneath my eye. And you can see it kind of sharpened up that edge right there. I'm just gonna do that so under my eyes don't start creasing. Now I'm going to quickly just do my brows, and then I will come right back on camera. Okay, so I am done with my brows, and now I'm just going to sweep away that NYX setting powder under my eyes, and now I'm just going to set the rest of my face. And what I'm using is the Too Faced Urethral Powder. Okay, done with that. So let's finish your eyes and do the lower lash line. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Real Techniques smudge brush and go into Chickadee, this yellow mustard color right here, and just put that along the lower lash line. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the Clover palette, and I'm gonna take Daddy Loves Me, this shade right here, and I'm just gonna use the same exact brush and brush that along the lower lash line. Okay, and I'm gonna take the NYX Wonder Pencil in the shade Nude and line that along my lower lash line. And what this is going to do is this is just gonna make my eyes appear bigger. Okay, now I'm just going to put on mascara on my lower lashes, and I'm just gonna take the Clinique High Impact Mascara. I like this for my lower lash line. Okay, so now let's finish the face. And what I'm gonna take is I'm going to take my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm gonna take this Real Techniques contour brush. I'm gonna use this just to contour my cheekbones. And I'm just gonna take this fluffy brush to kind of blend it out, and also use it to get the bronzer on my forehead. Okay, so I'm not gonna put on any blush today just because our eyes are really colorful and crazy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals. And this is very subtle but pretty, and it just won't be too much. I'm gonna set my face with the Smashbox Primer Water. Just spray that. Okay. I'm gonna just take my beauty sponge and just press that into my skin. Okay, now onto my lips. I'm just cleaning my lips real quick. So the reason why, I don't know if you saw my last YouTube video, I can link it down below, but I did a review on LipSense products and I love them. They are my favorite lip ever to wear, so that's what I'm going to be wearing today. I'm going to be using the shade Bella. It's really, really pretty. And I'm just going to put this on real quick. Okay, so I wanted a more natural look. You can put up to 3 layers with this. I just only did 1, so this is what the 1 layer looks like. By putting more layers on, it makes it more colorful and more pronounced. So that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love this look. I think it's so pretty. It's different, it's beautiful, and it was pretty easy to me anyways. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.